Right there! And right there! Right there! Right there! You're so slow! Yo, you're crazy! Yo! There are big ones? Oh my gosh! Look at that! Look at that one! Look at that! Yo, it's like, whoa! What the fuck? Yo! Look at the ginormous. Look at the ginormous thing. You can see. Whoa! There's a fire. Whoa! Yo! It's all around my house, man. It's all around my house. Bruh, it's all around. Dude. It's all around, dude. All around. Happy New Year 2023, man. Happy New Year 2023. And goodbye 2022. I mean, yo. Bruh. Look at the fireworks, man. Dude. That was so cool. Even this angle. Yo, that was so perfect. Yo. You can see it from there. Oh my god, that was a big gyro. Oh! What is that smoke? What is that? What is that? What? Is the chance? No. It's definitely. What the flip? What the flip is that? Guys! Help me get up. I'm on the high ground. Let me just zoom in. You cannot see it. I cannot see it, bro. I cannot see it. Look. Yo. Yes, bro. Look at. Woohoo! Weehaw! This is the best New Year ever. But what is that smoke right there? Guys, what is that smoke right now? Liar! Whoa! I'm totally scared. I'm scared. Holy flipping god! Yo, that one is big. I'm scared of fire flipping works. There's no way there's a kid running around right now. Yo, bruh. What? Oh, that one's. That one's. The behind me is good. Behind you guys is good. So yeah, just take a quick look. There's not. Oh! Guys, zoom in right now. Guys, oh, what is that fireball? Yo! So cool! Oh my gosh! Yo! This is the absolutely best day of my. Oh my god! You can definitely see it, right? Right? Wait, where's Where's the fire? No, don't launch it in one piece. Wait, please don't. Oh, you can see it right there. It's right there. It's right there. Does it stop? I found a sound. Whoa, what is that? You can see it, right? Right? Wait, what? What the flip? What the flip? It's literally midnight and 6 minutes right now. What the flip? What the flip? Okay, I think it's settled down. I think it's settled down. Did it settle down? Dude, I need to go. I need to go look at the back. Bruh. Are there please more fireworks? Wait. What? What the? Did you see that, right? You see that big ginormous fireball? What is that? Flippin' fireball. Wait. Wait, don't tell me there's more. Whoa. There's more. Mom, come see this. They're shooting low. Only this? I'm waiting all night just to be here. For 1 minute? Bruh, I'm going back to my room. What the flip is that? Dude! Yo! You can see it right there! They're launching small fireballs right now. I don't know what just happened. Yo, what was that? Your! I just saw a fireball there. Yo, what the hell, man? I'm very risking my phone because that. Whoa, holy crap. Why are there people here? Why is there people here? Right there. Nah, I'm good. Nah. I'm going 1 minute. What the flip? Wait. Is there gonna be 2 fireballs? I don't know, but yeah, guys. New countdown. I forgot to count down! No! I forgot to count down. 3, 2, 1. I forgot it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. But it's risking for you. I'm doing this for you guys to all like, share, and subscribe our videos. My videos, I guess. Sorry. Yeah, just let me take a quick break. But, well, that's it on today's video, guys. Wait. My room's not shut. Okay, so I hope you had a great day. And, yeah. I'm gonna be going to bed now. Whew, with my little huggy. So, goodbye, guys, and I hope you had a great day. Okay, since it's not stop record, well, I'll go to sleep. Good night.